Michael, man, me poor people can buy their own homes. DJ Patrick, man, is the Prime Minister called Mr. Infrastructure.
All right, my
Where?
boss. Well, your point.
All right, boss.
Well, your point, that's what. All right. Next in line, Mr. Ingram.
It is fascinating, you know. And as the brother just talked just now and touch and the attributes of the PMP party. I can't help.
1 second, Mr. Ingram. The people that may send me request just type if they are JLP when I add to your box. I may have to make sure a JLP more on top of it. I want more PMP. All right, go on.
Yes, thank you. I can't help but acknowledge the attributes of the PMP. Let's look at the NHT. Jamaicans. Can we take for a minute? I'm glad that the numbers are moving up. 306 people here now, so we're doing well. Touch up the like, make we ensure we can give some gifts if you want, because it's a very good in educational point we are on now. The National Housing Trust in Jamaica. Let us just reflect for a minute. $11.5 billion taken out of the housing trust over the last 9 years. Over the last 10 years, but I remember a portion was taken because of the crisis Portia Simpson was in, and she stated the reason why. When she did it, this administration took her to court, and the court ruled that she could act. But this government, not $11.5 billion taken out of the NHT per year. Jamaicans, suppose these 11.5 billion per year were used to build affordable housing for the Jamaican people. What dent it would have in the need for housing in this country if we were using the money to build affordable housing? Mark Golding came the other day and he said right away he's gonna stop it. He's gonna return the 11.5 billion in immediate effect to build affordable housing. What is the cost of the housing that are being built under this administration? Between 18 and 30 million dollars per unit. I was shocked today. I was told that houses are built in Portmore right now and being sold for $33 million. That about $120 billion that were taken from the housing trust, he's gonna ask the housing trust. He's gonna take the housing trust, gonna give land. He's gonna give land for this money, right? So the housing trust is gonna say, the government is saying, all right, we're 100 billion, we're gonna give you land. And that land is now gonna go towards the contributors. So that will further reduce the cost of housing. So every Jamaican will be able to get a house, nice 2-bedroom or studio between 5 million and 10 million. Affordable housing going back. What is more plausible is that even persons who have small businesses who don't get a payslip, he said, no, you'll be good. Because all you have to do is go into the housing trust and you sit with the housing trust and come to an agreement. And because you're paying rent now, the money you're paying rent, you're going to pay that money towards a mortgage.
All right, my boss.
And when you improve yourself, you'll be able to get a mortgage towards housing. So the days of when 30 million are gone, we are going back to affordable housing. Thanks, Mark Golding, for that initiative.
Yeah, our mongrel man gone. And I tell them people I love come up and come go on with them bag of self, you know, but watch this now. You see, what people need to understand, you know, is two things. The 3-card man and the corruption. The 3-card man is Andrew Owens telling you, or trying to force you, along with bloggers, to say that Jamaica is in a better state now than it was in the past. That's all a lie. You see, the thing about it, you know, if Jamaica was in a better place, no, than the past, you don't feel it. You wouldn't want nobody to come tell you that. It's simple. Go into the supermarket, check the cost of living, check the hospital there. You don't have to sick for go there, you know. Just go there, look, see the condition, the treatment where you get, check the school facilities there. These are the things we outline a developed country. Hospital, education, cost of living. The three main things. The other rest of things them contribute, yes, but they are minimal. For example, the Prime Minister will come telling about road. But why the sense you're going to fix the road this week and next week it lift up back? So it's just a picture moment. It's just that them fix the road today and then them take one picture and the next week you see the road lift up back. Mr. Darrell Vaz woman do it. You know, say all them road there. Where you see Darrell Vaz woman take picture pan. You never go back and look pan them? You never do a before and after? And they have 6 months to fix them there. And them lift up back already. So that simply means that we're not getting a quality work. It's just a picture moment. A photograph moment. Just like what the Prime Minister do. He go open up the center. Yeah? It's a good center. But the center not finish. The man open up the road for the center mass. It's a good road. But the road not done. I know. Right now to the day that the road not done. And a 1 year ad now since the road open. Look on the one we got Mandeville. Him open it. It not done. This man opens unfinished projects. I have never seen the PNP do that. When them people that open project open. You know what we see the Prime Minister do what really amazed me? The man do one groundbreaking for one project 2 times last year, the water treatment plant. Real Kobe water treatment plant. The man do one groundbreaking 2 times. Him the one last year and the man come back this year come do back another groundbreaking. Those are signs of desperation and deception. Man sharp, the next 2 months, the man come back and do another groundbreaking again. For one project. We don't need a leader like that. We need a leader who actually knows, say, yo, listen. We need value for money. All of the issues that are surrounding Jamaica, you ever hear the Prime Minister come out and speak about it? No. But tell him about your mother. Tell him about your mother and say something. Him fine, you. And the real issues we are bother we as Jamaicans. Hospital. All of these issues, you don't hear him speak about it because him don't care. We have to select a government that care. Mark Golding is the only person who cares about us. No matter what people want to say, him is the only person right now. We care. We bring matters for us to the court and defend our rights. You have never seen Andrew Holness do that. All these years when he was opposition leader and him in a parliament and this, you ever see Andrew Holness bring a matter of constitutional matter to court to defend our rights? Never. Because that is not his, in the belief in our rights. When we got the victory for our rights, the Prime Minister himself said he might contest that. So who he might defend when he might contest our rights? Who he might defend? Because I know me get the victory, we get the victory as people. So when him say I'm going to contest that,
Yeah, man,
that simply means that him don't respect our rights.
Yeah, man.
Sit
Might
there.
have.
Next in line. I got 4 minutes, my boss.
Huh? My time?
Oh.
You got-
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. When me I say I know, and me I ask the man them, which tell me one PNP who I got prison for thief, I know they can't tell me. All them go, yeah man, get up and talk about you, we have your liar them over here stuff. So JLP and no liar for you every time we no go court no lose. That's why no worthless over there, so man. Eh? We no must go Jamal, man. Go back at Jamal. Every at 6, 8 time no lose constitutional court for you. See, every time we no can PNP get court, you no lose. That's why no worthless. You're right, we said so too far. Eh? But then you no PNP no have prison for thief, brother. And 5 labor right with thief, money last one at Jack Timmy. We no shame. One of call the people them thief and the whole of them go court and court find them not guilty. Light bulb man go not guilty. Azan go not guilty. PJ go not guilty. Then how no call the man them thief? Eh? The man has start before the court. Phone man them will not put them before the court because you know it's a sure prison that I don't know want shame. Eh? All the eldest man at TV school picking feed money, food money. TV picking them money what you buy the food for them. Lunch. Eh? And you call up man game. Fireman turn on game for work all know you no go court yet. Eh? What a shame and disgrace that man. Eh? You picking them hungry and a ball. Eh? Every time pick the ball and him them about and thief them money at school, brother. You put them carry them mouth corner why? Eh? Imagine that you can't thief pick the man and old people. You thief them pension money, you thief you could pick the money. Eh? You below ski people them out of them taxpayer money when you don't know say bend you take it back. What kind of take it back government this man? And what do you know man where you come from? Eh? What a wicked people them go no a chance. Eh? And put things on that do things better on that thief out then yai. Eh? The rich just get rich and the poor must have poor again, and man middle class again, you know. And rich are poor. Middle class turn poor now. Want to work less, you know, man. If man can't talk about minimum wage at $16,000. Not tell me about no overtime, man, on a 16,000 minimum wage. If you get overtime, you're like that. $16,000. And because the people now pay them more than that. Because them that the government say pay them, brother. Right? So don't know where you come from. At $3,500 a day for Mason man. And the government work. Mason man while lay black. $3,500 a day, check it out. For Mason man. Now why not day for Mason man, the government rate that my youth. Where you come from? Eh? One, you know, say one bread, one big bread, the big old bread them. Eh? And $1,000 for one, you know. Same $100 for the next one. Bread alone. Eh? You know that man? On a thief stuff. Man, I come to come
Yo,
out
no, like Darby man.
No bother with that. No bother with that. No bother.
Right? You know, see it. One chicken and chips at $1,200. Eh? So when you put $1,000 upon you, so you give man raise. You know, see, so no wicked. Eh? $400 a pound for chicken. Chicken back. 300 and 280 for the other one. 300 for one. Eh? Prime Minister talk say if you can a fish back you buy now. You know, in the but you buy chicken back more fish back. Fish back I just skin and bone, you know, man. One long bone on the back there so. Right? And the tail and the skin. And that Prime Minister say if you take now and left chicken back. When you see one man, when it's a workless set of people labor, right? Where you come from? Eh? Where you come from, man? Jesus Christ, man, you can't do better when you come from, no shame. When the Prime Minister can't push out his head, and grow and can't certify all now. Eh? No, man, things can't go, so people have vote back for him.
All right.
Yeah, man, take up your phone, man. Well, why you take up your phone?
Yeah,
Me know a man who no want to come away, man, because pressure leak when you know youth.
Sydney.
Eh?
Yeah, man, line, man.
The
My
line.
time fast,
My
man,
time.
tell you, man.
Yeah, your time, boss.
Yes,
Sydney.
yeah.
All right, Sydney, mute your mic, sis.
I know you have
Mute your mic.
program, man. Move by me, so
No, man, mute your mic. Mute your mic.
Well, I'm dealing with it now. Sydney, 4 minutes done, my boss.
All right, good.
Got 4
All
minutes.
right, let me see. Because I'm glad we come in right behind, what, 3 PMP, 4. All of them talk one time behind each other. So we'll go through, you know. 261 people on the line, welcome. I'm glad you're not here all of the PMP them since night and all the storytelling what them have to give. All I've been hearing is they blaming the government but not give a solution. The only person trying to make a solution is Mr. Ingram. Mr. Ingram come and talk about low income houses, right? And where Mark Golden want to do. But Mr. Ingram, I will ask you, when Mark Golden give back that 11 that money from back to NFT, you need to tell us where you're going to get that money from. And secondly, Mark Golden has no authority to come and talk to Jamaican about building low-income houses when you've gone to another man's country and build houses in that country instead of yours. So you can't come and talk about that, and you are an investor in in improvement will build business and you haven't built any under your tenure as a business person in this country. Secondly, we're going down the line. $6,000, Mr. Ingram. May I understand that you're probably a man of, you know, high age. So you probably not understand. Someone just have to give you that one, the youthful exuberance. My fellow person up top, Cuban, explained it to you, and you feel if you understand. $6,000 is just the guidelines in which you should pay. The government, it is a criminal offense if you pay somebody below $16,000 in this country. So it's a guideline that you can pay on 16 or you pay above. There are a lot of persons in Jamaica are getting more than $16,000 a pay. Right, Mr. Ingram? Like Mr. Sydney? And secondly, don't come and talk to people in Jamaica where go supermarket every day and tell we say bread of $1,000. That's a lie. That's a lie. And that's how you PNP go around and talk and make up story. Don't tell on a big storyteller because all you talk about are the past. What did happen then? What did happen then? Uno is a past party. There's no future we don't know. No future because I know we don't hear what is the plans for the country under former administration if we win the election. So there's no future for Uno. You understand? Let me go to my good friend Caution. Caution is talking about building economy, we're talking about hospital and school. Now, Caution, let me ask you this question. When was the last time you hear people coming out in Jamaica come bawl about hospital this and hospital that? When there are health center building in Jamaica, left, right, and center, where people don't have to go to hospital anymore because in their constituency, the Ministry of Health is opening up a lot of health center. You see it with your own eye. Well, we don't know because you probably now look. Me hear somebody in the comments say, "Andrew, I'm mad in another lie." So after a while, someone don't need to go see psychiatrist because we never get our whole by government, because we don't see the reality of what is taking place and I feel if you believe it. One of the things when me big enough say yes, somebody says it's a good thing the government open up the thing of a Portmore, thank God for it. At least you up me your mouth as a PNP and say that because your leader never even acknowledge it. You understand? No, so don't come and talk about where the government now do now and all that. Tell me where government are do because the government are doing good things now. And what uno plan to do if uno come in because uno is a past party. No future no there we do know. You understand?
Land
No, your time, man.
Yeah, man, land. Yeah, man,
No.
Yeah, man, land.
We still have time, man. We still have time.
Yeah, man, land. I saw it feel when they tell me, land.
No. We still have time. And then you
yeah, man, land.
Me time up.
Yeah, man, you know, not time, land.
All right. Go on, talk off your mouth now. Story time.
Ghana Patap, Cuba. My boss, your time. You got 4 minutes. No Patap. Jenna, sleep, I can't sleep.
Oh no, sorry, me there wrap up some work. Just give me like about next month is gone. I wrap up some work. So me not nice, so me I go just next month talk about.
Next in line, I got 4 minutes, my boss.
Yeah, man. All right. Yeah, me listen to the brother that about the one named Craig. Again, it seems like you live into a dream world with your Anansi story. Don't come on the man platform with your Anansi stories, which you health center, that building, that hospital now don't under pressure. When last have you been to Kingston Public Hospital? I took my father to Kingston Public Hospital 7 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't leave till the father admitted. They admitted him about 10 o'clock. 10 p.m. in the night. I mean, before they go find one bed game, I must say 4 o'clock, we left KPH in the morning. So shut your mouth and stop talking with the fella says on the platform. Andrew Hollis doing nothing, this government doing nothing when it comes to health. Look at education. How can you be a prime minister and you don't build, and you're a former minister of education, you don't build not even one school? And you people have the audacity to come on the platform to be talking about what government do? What government do? Focus on your corruption. Talk about the corruption. Talk about the $3 trillion that cannot give an account for. Come from Pamela Monroe and the accountant general. Tell we, so the country short 3 trillion. And out of the 3 trillion, 900 million missing from the Ministry of Education. But let me tell you something. Fancha Mucha said corruption cracking up on them. When Mark Jefferson Goldie become the Prime Minister, let me tell you, no man, Vibes Cartel sell them, a refurbish it because prison now miss some of them because we must put a stop to it now. Too much hypocrisy. That's our country can't move forward. Look at Petrodram, how much $1 billion missing out of Petrodram, huh? And nothing like that. Look at the new Tribula, they pick them food. As what Mr. Sidney said, they pick them food. Eh? Look at JUTC. JUTC, how much $1 billion the government lost from JUTC. Eh? Why would not go read? Labor rights, why would not go read before they come and try to argue with people? When Mark becomes Jamaica Prime Minister, first thing, youth. You have to look for the youths in Jamaica. And you're going to give the youth, not alone, a grant of $500,000 to buy a house. The Prime Minister at the time will no longer be taking NHT money for that 11.5 billion that they take the fund budget every year will stay in the NHT that they can fund it, the housing. The government is going to build 50,000 housing for the 5-year target. And we're not going over 15 million. We're going to build them affordable that people can live into them. Mark Golding is in the collaboration. Mark Golding is in not a collaboration. Mark Golding is now, when Mark Golding becomes the Prime Minister, he's going to build a smelter plant that we can refine our own bauxite. And we have a better foreign exchange. Mark Gold is in dialogue with China and Japan, with Toyota, Nissan, that we can build a Nissan plant or a Toyota plant in Jamaica that we can make our own cars and sell. What a better Prime Minister than that you want? Huh? Mark Gold is not a Prime Minister of corruption. Mark Gold is not going to deal with any corruption. Mark Gold is clean, his slate is clean. Nobody can call his name.
All right, my boss. I fell on. Boy, drink one cup of water there, do. People tap up the screen for me. Next in line, my boss. Guinness do that here.
Okay. Last time I check, you see they are cheap. You're part of the J3A. So I know you was a lot. Let me tell you this. You love talk about people and crab brain and see. But you lie to the pit of hell. You. When the first time me hear from you say you're part of a J3A. And me find out say you can't benefit Andrew Wallace because say they don't make you get qualifying figure in a J3A. So and then when we realize a principal alone get figure in a JTA, you're not qualified. You're not qualified at all. Figure in a JTA. And you come here, come be a rubbish of your mouth. Okay, you see, hey, every day, Mr. I don't know where they get to from, on a PMP. When you say on a teacher, who want to say them a teacher accounts. Them account all the dunce your friend. Me not have the level of education or have all the dunce. Who not have degree, who not have degree have accounts all things, all kind of things. All the dunce same way. On the dunce. You hear me I tell you? Cause hear the bullshit them when you come on platform and chat out to your mouth. You don't live in Jamaica and you can't afford to go hospital. Go spend no much hours. And you don't live in Jamaica. Lion O'Keefe. You don't live in Jamaica, you carry your father. Go hospital. Here you are spit them the damn lie out of your mouth. And then you one of them will run out of Jamaica when PMP is poor. You say you run away from Jamaica. You say you run away from Jamaica because you suffer. And that's it. And when me look on it, PMP have no pay for fear freeze or long. And you say you run away and not blood clean labor right because you suffer. And a labor right raise your pay. And you run away and the race. You're a liar. You lie. Hear me tell them. I will see me tell them Jamaican people. On the top, listen to them people, you know. Them people are going to carry on go hell with them. Them are going hell and I carry with them and I carry on with them. Me I tell you, them upset people here where so they have degree and them are accountants and then this and that them are doing all kind of things where them qualify. And then dunce like a bat. You hear me tell you? And I tell you no be a lie. And uno in the comment section, uno talking truth, uno fooling up. And them are people are not follow. And them are people are not follow, you know. Yeah? Them are people here. Western India, Jamaica, say Inca, look how much credit man a bill, a fix up, a renovate. And you gonna say no, Ray, nothing na go on, nothing na go on. Una try to create one thing where in a rare phone, brother. Only just create one myth, and in a rare phone, bro. You see me?
All right.
Because no, una say,
Guinness, yeah, fella. The 4 minutes come, remember. Guinness. Like I said, sitting here, people tap up the screen. Well, I'm not saying that. People tap up the screen.
Yeah, top of the screen, definitely top of the screen.
Thanks, if you know what I'm telling you.
Getting gift to man, so let's give a comment.
Well, and before I say something, Guinness, I rate your vibes, telling you, rate your vibes, but don't slow down and put it together when you kind of understand where you're going. Yeah? But I rate your vibes, you're full of vibes, I rate you. Big up yourself.
Give some thanks to the gift. Give some thanks to the gifts to
yeah, man, big up yourself.
front of the line.
Thank you for
Yes. I'm really happy for the question asked by the person down the bottom. Queen Mim, who asked the question, where we get find money to replace? I'm happy to answer that question. Because the first thing Mark Golding said he's going to do, he's going to put in place an inquiry into the SSL matter. You notice that the Prime Minister and this administration have said nothing substantial about it, but he said he's going to put an inquiry into the SSL matter. Don't forget that Mark Golding is also officer of the court. He's an attorney, and therefore he would have he have certain principle as it relates to certain commitment he have to do as far as the court is concerned. We also need to make mention that he's going to cut corruption in its seam, because right away it's 900 billion Ministry of Health, 600 billion Ministry of Education, 84 billion Social Security, and the others. Let it bring a little closer home. The company that is supplying the children's hospital with a drill that is bought for 12 million and being sold for 31 million. That would stop immediately. The issue at the Cornwall Regional, currently, the estimated cost of Cornwall Regional, it now reached 26 billion estimated. This year budget has 6 billion in it. Mark Golding is going to put a stop to those corruption. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is currently under investigation for illicit enrichment, that matter will have to be settled. And Jamaicans, let us get something clear as crystal. It has nothing to do with PMP or JLP. the Prime Minister's statutory declaration must be certified. It can't continue indefinitely. So it's not a joke matter. Whoever is coming here and calling people lion, pap, bad mind and all and crap there, the Prime Minister's statutory declaration must be certified. So it's only a matter of time. Remember, he didn't challenge the finding and say the finding was wrong. What he asked for was an inquiry, was a review, not an inquiry, a review. A review to see if there is his constitutional rights were breached. Rest assured that the personnel who are in the Integrity Commission, the commissioners, are retired Punis judge. One is a retired, the current one now is a retired Punis judge. Those persons who have dealt with those cases were retired judge, retired president of the Court of Appeal, retired attorney, certified accountants, and senior attorneys. And remember, all the cases that have gone before the court, taken to the court by the Integrity Commission, 100% guilty record. So all the lies about, all the argument about politics and corruption out of you, they have been exonerated. All the cases that they have taken to court, all the persons have been found guilty and have to pay their fine. Nobody has proven the Integrity Commission wrong again. So the question you asked, where Mark is going to get money from to finance the different things he said, based on the fact that he's going to cut corruption, there'll be money awash. Go to my page, you will see a page I give there. There'll be money awash to right all the wrongs that I'm up in Jamaica today.
Thank you, my boss.
Thank you.
Next in line, I got 4 minutes, my boss.
No said a brilliant point, Ingram raised. Brilliant point, because when we really analyze the Integrity Commission, you know, they have not lost a case, you know, and that is something that people need to look into. They have not lost a case. Every single body that them lay a charge upon, them have to go before the court and plead guilty because the evidence is there. And these people are well professional persons with integrity and morals and standard. So why now the Prime Minister, yeah, is being investigated by the Integrity Commission? We not try to demonize them. I don't understand. So all them other people, when they investigate, would never strike on the eye, say them people are not the good. And in my eyesight, the Integrity Commission is doing an excellent job. There are some fabulous people that are doing a wonderful job. I respect and honor Mr. Panton and also Greg Christie and Kevin Stevens. Excellent people. You understand? People of integrity. I can't say the same for Andrew Wellness. But let us venture a little upon the isle. Imagine we find island in Jamaica. Yeah? We have a quantity of island in Jamaica now. The whole of the south coast of Jamaica. From Westmoreland goes straight to St. Thomas. Island out in the sea. And the Prime Minister gives the company the right of 100% working interest. 100% working interest. It means they're not going to spend their money, but whatever profit them get, half of it at a time there, all of it will be going to them. My question is, where Jamaican people get out of that? What we get out of this oil mining? What we get? If this Prime Minister was such a good Prime Minister, and don't ask me, don't tell me say Andrew no know, because Andrew is in charge of NEPA. NEPA is in charge of issuing the license and the permission to do all of these exploration, all of these digging, all of these mining. So yes, Andrew know. I mean, I say, if him do this, the Jamaica and tell we to choose Jamaica, why didn't he choose Jamaica when he was giving these people the 100% work interest to explore and mine oil in Jamaica? That sound like somebody will choose Jamaica? That doesn't sound like somebody will choose Jamaica. Because we understand that you have other countries there that don't choose them country and choose these people to come and exploit the country, and them end up being along with the leader who give them that authority. And the people are in the country suffering. For example, our brother country, Nigeria. I think them are the third largest oil thing that in the world. And look at the condition of the people in the country. Because they are being exploited. And the same thing come and happen to we in a Jamaica now. Did you know that Andrew Holness and Darrell Vaz wants to sell Petrojam? Remember, I know Petrojam is the only oil refinery in the Caribbean island. I might think so. And they want to sell that. The minute we find the oil, they want to sell the refinery. I think it's the best thing to keep the refinery. Why are you thinking about closing down the refinery or selling the refinery? I don't understand that. All these years, we have the refinery. We never have no oil. No oil are flowing, and I know you consider to sell the refinery. Oh, that makes sense. These are the type of people who are mismanaging our resources. Wants to leave us with nothing. Milan.
All right, my boss. Thank you. Next in line, Sydney.
Hurry up and come to me there, do.
Sydney, I got 4 minutes. Go on, my boss.
All right. Yeah, man. No. Me have a full statement this I know, man. Man will say, oh, you can't lock down hospital and no business hospital and have your work more clinic. I wear this thing, I work in a full set. Every time they tell them fool. That hospital better have its purpose. When the clinic can't manage, you send him to the hospital. Oh, you not pay hospital, man, and I work more clinic. Clinic have to dress sore, man. And you feel little pain on your belly, right? And them come on your foot, you wrap your bandage, man, and beard your sore foot. And them little something the clinic for, man. Them little minor things, they will to take off them behalf of hospital. You can't lock down hospital last time I work in clinic, but clinic I work all over there. You can't afford this thing that. Hospital is there, brother, with purpose. You know, operate on people, a clinic, right? You never stupid people there, man.
Glad no, yeah, man.
Eh? Even first world country, brother, you have the hospital and you have clinic.
Make a chat.
You can't have hospital, brother, and I look at the clinic them, and I say your hospital. I work in a full statement that, man. Man, why miss it, man? Me glad none of labor right, you know. Because if most of labor right, they shame me, that shame wouldn't talk, make people hear me, man. Yeah? I don't know what you talk something foolish. And then point about that, look for one drill, $31 million when a $4 million had. Eh? I'm not trying to base no come with that 12 million. We no can't pass it no more. Eh? 31 million rob Pitney again. We no can't rob Pitney, so man. Almighty God, you could pick them and can't help themselves, but they don't know rob man. Everything they pick them no rob them. $31 million for your drill. Eh? And when you check it out online, right? It buy it and send to Jamaica at $4 million. And labor right to know so thief. Eh? First of all, the health minister come out and say, no know that the company there. How your health minister? And the company buy things for your the company there, you know. Your health minister company that buy things, right? For your ministry, you what your controller, you don't know about that. Eh? You don't know the company. Eh? What buy it and sell it back to you. You should have got prison same time. Eh? How them man enough to step down and resign when you find them out? You know, a bare-faced thief, man. Bare-faced thief, my grandmother say, boy, uno thief milk out of coffee, man. Eh? Eh? Uno store the milk in the coffee and come out back with pure coffee and store no thief. Eh? The health minister said, no, nothing about the company. Eh? Thief pick me again. Uno gone and the old people pension money. I get, why Jesus Christ, I want to know labor right. Eh? This man not talk about say we not come with no solution. The biggest solution is to vote with labor right, and that we are do. That is the biggest solution, brother. We don't want no solution. One we get to know to tap match up the country and make it go and run the country good, brother. You know see it. So you said you know want more solution more than that. People hear the solution. Vote out labor right. Put on X beside the head and get out labor at 5. No, don't do it and give them an next term. That near no suffer no granny and let them that you know. Uno pray on the bed and go lie down in night like what we are doing now, man. Lick out labor right out of power. Right? Make them can come back again in like 50 years, brother. You'll have a look in again. I be a thief, this I go on, you see no money just a thief I go so. Eh? Eh? What you see? One thing, one this you know want to see.
Uncle Sid.
Yeah, man, long man.
People see the message still, you know. People must see. What one?
Uncle Sid, plan.
Come on, me feel say you help them in a worse. You help them, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a pressure them, you help them in a worse.
4 minutes. Next in line.
All right, me boss.
Next in line. You got 4 minutes.
Boss.
Yeah, walk on me, Jenna.
No, when you get up and walk out this and say, Crazy Jah, embarrass. and you me come bout PNP, and you me come.
Don't bother with that.
You know?
You got 4 minutes. No matter what.
Hey, watch out. Serious note, no. Me go tell you something. First man, me go. No, the man me did want to talk to him gone first. That the man they gone first.
Who that?
Guinness, but Guinness gone. Me never realize that Guinness never there. See, never mind. All right.
Yeah, PMP.
Any labor right there on the live here, you see? Never uno try to debunk the PNP them. Leave them, make them go and spread them talk again down lies, man. I don't know if you can manage it, just come off of the live and make them go and do what they do. And saturate the platform with all different kind of hallucinative arguments that don't make no sense. You understand me? I said the PNP them talk so silly when they make no sense at all, you know. I tell you what, you know, and dangerous set of people them man. Remember me tell you, watch out. Me not gonna cuss them. First of all, now, let me start with my Prime Minister. They might say things where you know not relevant. Yeah, we government, you know, of we government are going. Can we not debunk them people, you know, me are going to talk about the good things that are going in the country, you know. Yeah, man. But me have a question to ask Ingram first. Ingram, here's a question I want. Until you reach your first place, you answer that question. Me want you tell me, name me one program or project, right? In a PNP reign in Jamaica, just name one project that the PNP has used the taxpayers' money to fund directly. Me no mean him borrow no money from IMF, you know. Me no mean then call one other set of people and get no grant from them to do certain things in the country. Me mean to say them take the taxpayers' money directly and fund a project. Me want a PNP tell me one. Name me one because the PNP can't name none. All right? Now listen to me now. What better project can happen to a country and its people than the new social housing program? Right? Everyone that receive at one of those new social housing solution in Jamaica, look how the people them happy and nice. Some of them never know say the blessing was coming to them. The amount of tears of them shed of joy when the Prime Minister turned up and said, this is your key to your brand new home. And he take them out of squabble, take some of them out of old car, take some of them from living on that tree. Listen to me. All what the PNP them talk about government find islands or whatever, we don't make no sense because it cannot be proven. And when O'Keefe come and talk about all kind of way, something we might talk about, we don't know where he get him. Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you this before we go no further. You see, You see, illiteracy in this country, PNP is the party that crafted the gross illiteracy in our country. It is the PNP that did that.
All right, my boss, I feel land. You know, I'm not play with the time.
Jesus, I don't. No man, I look up on a 3.5 hour, 3.5 minutes to give me. Why me I tell you, I'm not start yet.
Next in line, I got 4 minutes, my boss.
Check.
People, tap up his screen for me now. $200.
Alright.
I'm gonna put it.
Bossy.
Well, on my boss. You know, can go at 200,000 in a night? Yeah. Quick and fast. All right, my boss, go on.
All right.
How much more you want to reach that?
So Sydney in my time.
Me not telling you I was me so much more much you want
No,
was.
but you're in my time. You interrupt. Go, so you have to start over my time. I'm in my time.
Stop up his screen, you reach it.
Yeah, man. All right. So, me ask some question earlier and I'm gonna get the answer. I'm like Ingram, my good accountant friend. Me ask you question. So when he give back his money to the housing trust, where am I get here? Tell me say I'm gonna stop corruption. So that not a question. Where am I gonna get the money from? So you see what we are talking about? Plans. Lay out the plans. Mark Golden. Then lay it out. You not tell me where you're gonna get the money from. You're gonna tell say you're gonna fight with corruption. Of course you have to fight with corruption, Mark Golden. So when you start fight with corruption, feel in your own party, you know. But you have to fight corruption. But that not answer the question where you get the money from. Secondly, Professor come up and say entertain them, you know, but guess what? Me have to entertain it. Because after this, me have to go listen. Me not even know answer no more because after the storytelling when Mr. Sidney just be a while ago, me enjoy me night, Mr. Sidney. Thank you very much because me don't know which book you read. Which Anansi book you read. God know. Me don't know which Anansi book you read. When you tapping nice, no man, tapping nice, man. Listen, man. Listen to me. No, listen, man.
You can't answer.
When you can and listen what is happening in Jamaica in the health sector, Mr. Sidney, I'm talk fast. When you can stop the people there with minor injury, where can go to clinic, to go where go hospital, it makes it better for the hospital system to flow because a lot of people who are going to the hospital are for minor things where they can go to clinic. So when the government are opening new clinic, are refurbishing clinic, it is great. Yeah, people are going to talk about people can have picnic on clinic bed. We not tell people are stupid. You tell them sound a fool and naive. Nobody not said nobody. May I ask the question, when last have you hear people demonstrate about hospital? When last you hear people come on TV come talk about hospital treatment and this and that? When last? Secondly, caution, why me say, me tell me rate you know, because you always come up with some interesting topic. But you don't know the facts for the topic, them, caution. You tell me, caution, we're in this world of any country, they drill, you hear of a company, there's always a company that drill oil, caution. Tell me we're in this country, that company get 100% of drilling that oil in the country. Stop that shit and talk foolishness on the people, them platform. People of Jamaica, we are listening to front of the line, boss. Listen to me. Listen to all of the stupidness them. I won't have to talk to Okibo for that because my virgin will go and deal with him already. Because I don't know when the talk say. You understand? But listen to what the PNP them are talking about. If you're talking about the tomorrow, future, I tell you so these people are PNP party of the past. They don't have a future. Look at what is happening. My friend bring up the social housing program. Say Trinidad people, them Trinidad Prime Minister jealous of it and decide they want to do it in our country.
Barbados too.
And Barbados. What the shit you're not talking about? So if you cuss on the platform, no problem, yeah, go down an island and we'll get glasses, man. And look, I only alone a ball on the platform and you go mad, you know. You know?
Don't cuss again, you lose your point here, sir. Don't cuss on the program.
Me not cuss again, me just apologize.
Oh, you better know that.
You understand? What are you, Mr. Andrew, go mad, you know, you better take a little pressure pill and go to your bed. You go mad, you know. I rest my case this, so.
Yeah, my boss, I have a lot. God back up on top. My boss, I got it.
Brother, you so pressure, make man cuss
No,
us.
I reverse. We are going now. I reverse. I mean, I time again.
Huh?
Oh, you feel your
Oh,
time.
you're crazy.
It go back way now, man.
You look back with you.
Why?
Whatever the case is, it don't really matter.
Yo, man, up attack me there.
All right, sir, go on.
Up attack me there. Yo,
You
man.
pass sleep.
Okay, go on then. You look like you might have said.
Yeah, man.
So to me there. Hold on. Yeah, I understand how O'Keefe feel. But O'Keefe, let me tell you something. You say you lose it. You say you're a teacher and you teach people. But obviously, where you start, you're ignorant and you're a child. You need to calm down, Bridget. You need to calm down and you need to relax. You need to understand, say you're still a teacher. Or if you're not a teacher, same way, you was a teacher. And people supposed to respect you. You see me? Not because of politics. You should learn to disrespect people and tell people done some people this and that. Because me tell you this, when you not teach, and those PMP pitney you teach labor right pitney too. See? So you need to have something boy. Understand? Alright, watch this now. Me know no cause we none of as PMP because we have things that we have facts. And when we talk, we can go Google it and we can go facts check it. Seeing PMP in a power. He 18 yo fuck off man. PMP in a power for 18 years. Seeing? During the 18 years PMP in a power, crime rock Jamaica till Peter Bunting ball say you need God intervention. See? Them go so boom. Then can't control, then can't pay the police them. Jamaica have 7,000 police allegedly. Have 7,000 police or less, right? I no could pay the police them. Police have to go up and strike. Teacher have to go up and strike. Nurse have to go up and strike. Money where they not pay, right? When September morning school open back, oftentimes the Ministry of Education have to come on TV or news and say, parents bear with us because on a heavy school fully equipped for the school morning. Some school no paint, some school on a desk, yeah, and people who don't never talk about them something there. Since this government coming up on journalists, I never see police strike. I don't see police strike. I don't see no civil servant strike because of money, right? The money where them owe the nurses them, and this government come and pay it off. See, they would double the police force, right? We almost double the army, and we have paid them. Where we find money to pay them, our own money. You know, here in the police about now, police comfortable. Me in the security field, I can tell you, most of the vests I see police are wear back in a PMP time. Bulletproof vests, them done good. PMP couldn't buy a vest for the police, they could never buy a vehicle for the police. Me can't tell you because I can tell you, when you're in the vest there, and in the uniform, and in a vehicle without even AC is a disgrace. See? So when you come on our talk this and our talk that everything this government do, then double and money I spend. Why the PMP never do it? When you complain about 9 years out of road, if all the roads bad and road now and the only road and hospital this and that. Did hospital just start deteriorate during the 9 years? Did all the roads mash up within the 9 years? It never, all the communities want to say, don't have no water. And 9 years since they don't have no water, since Andrew coming up power, they cut off the water for them. Or they never have none before. And why, if the PMP was so good for Jamaica, why them never fix up all the roads and all of that? I'm next, last thing for my man.
No, man.
Last thing for my man. No,
Sidney. Keep quiet now, my man. Welcome to the people.
Mark Golden in a film constituency. Why Mark Golden constituency look so? For a leader.
No, boss. What
All
about
right, all right. Milan.
All right. Okay.
Man. You see, these labor rights, you know, men on come in like a gig. We just start spinning like a gig, you know. We find us one another argument is just being foolish to see the talk out. You want to compare with a while ago. You just talk a bag of nonsense, like, you know, like you live in our fairy tale, one dream world. You understand? Profession. When you come on to talk about what PNP use, you see, when you not come from platform for back on the party, you don't try for a little sense, no? What
All right,
foolish
me ask one
question?
question.
What
Answer
is
it
it
with me,
for? Sir,
okay?
sir, please, we never answer you. Just please.
Answer me question and me ask, man. You
So
want
what
me
do you
ask back?
ask?
Let me ask what the question.
No,
Brother, come on,
boss.
come in argument, no, brother.
Boss, man, the man finish.
No, I want to answer my question, man.
No, the
I want them
answer.
to get the question.
Then come to you.
Make up the minutes, them,
Yeah, man. Go on, no, boss.
yeah, you can come with a little fool question I go ask you. What PNP bill out of taxpayers' money? Eh?
Come on, no, you start name some. Name no.
Brother, brother, just listen, man. When I hear intelligent people talk, just pause your mic, no, brother. Brother, the National Housing Trust comes from PNP. The PART program comes from PNP. The NHA, NHS come from PNP. You understand? JUTC come from PNP. All of those are taxpayers' money. Mr. Ingram will tell you more when we reach Mr. Ingram. We don't come with them little grade one question to intelligent people, brother. Keep your grade one question then to yourself. We're talking about how we are going to develop Jamaica. We left off of the PNP 18 years. That is spill milk. We give you 9.5 years what you have done. We've refurbished the hospitals in 1994, 95 coming down. They have to refurbish again. We build the roads, them are going to mash up because vehicle upon them. In 1998, the road from Harborview to Moran Bay was refurbished. It was refurbished. They had to, who do you rebuild the roads them? You understand? So no come on the foolishness. We're talking now, you can talk about where Mark Gully. Mark Gully is Minister of Finance. Mark Gully control the country fund. Mark Gully is the leader of the opposition. Mark Gully have to sell himself. When Andrew Hollis came in with the 1.5, did Andrew Hollis tell where he's going to find the money from to do it? When Bruce Golden says he's going to fund the whole health, because remember, his sister P started the free health along with the children and elderly people, and then Bruce Golden do it overall, right? Did Bruce Golden could tell when he was in opposition where would he find the money? Come on, man, be intelligent. Be intelligent, right? Mark Golden came up with the idea to say you have some bright students at school who parents cannot afford to do guarantor because they don't have it financially. When his government come in, they are going to do guarantor with no more guarantor. Andrew Hollis copied from Mark Golden. Every student, every firstborn of every home will get a free education as long as they have the qualification. When Mark coming to power, there are two things that Mark is going to do. Security, we are going to clean up the security and education because no country grows without educated people and a clean security force, right? And the corruption. So the most money I'm going to spend for the first 5 years is in security and education. All of these schools, they're going to go through with solar system that the school, the classrooms can AC out. We're going back to feeding program. We're going to buy books and all of these things for this for children and all of these. We are going to build back our education, just as how Michael Manley started. But going to build back our education. We are going to clean the security.
All right,
all right. Yeah, man.
All right, next in line. Wagwan, good night. You got 4 minutes, my boss.
What made you unit?
No, you.
Oh.
Yeah. Good night.
Manners and boss, manners.
People,
Make it go on.
beg you 1 second. O'Keefe, Cuban, Ingram, everybody with up on the live. The brother reached out to me. 257 people up there. The brother reached out to me. I'm making tell you his story. And I hear what I say. And if I don't want to ask him some question. You know him. He said they didn't have the paper. So, boss, can you explain to the people that what going on with you?
It's some others are respect again everybody on him. Everybody in the live. You know, Dave and 23 years old, you know. I have an eye condition right now. Messed up state, you know. Last year, August 8 to be exact, I forward from work. Me in a bus. I work at a call center. And me in a coaster bus I go home. Yeah. You know, in the back of the bus. And me I use my phone like now, you know, in the bus I use the phone. I feel the bus stop. Someone come near the bus. You know, by time I know some chemical. You know what kind of chemical? So you leave me visual impaired. My even damage at certain type of way. You know, them take my bag and phone and everybody run out of the bus. You know, so me end up go UE. Bring me go UE. Me end up do a surgery up a UE. For my G. And they have to cut out mouth, cut out my G. The inner layer of the jaw and put over my eye to try to heal by the eye. Anyway, the eye reject the surgery. So they recommend me to go overseas. They can't tell me they can't do no more. You know, for them hands no more. So they send me overseas in Florida. You know, enter called Bascom Farm. Youth. Me end up get some help from one lady on the app same way, Sunshine. End up buy my ticket and pay for my assessment over there. Go over there and do the see the doctor and say can help me get back some vision. Especially the right eye, cause the right eye do damage. Let's say I do a surgical a stem cell transplant. You know, is a I take the cell from a deceased person and put it in my eye because on the surface of my eye damage. Understand? So it take me cost in about I think it's about 19,520 US. Me reach out to each and everybody, even featured at the star last year about November them time they reach I look help as well. Reach out to the Ministry of Health same way.
Well, I'm not stop you. I'm not cut you. I'm not going to you have a go fund?
You see, producer, him himself, you know, I put one in picture on it. I'm not cut you.
Me have a, me throw my bash on that. Me not reach out. Follow me still. So me a listen, but me no batch about that. So me a listen, but follow me, and me will follow you. Me a listen.
See how
How your name, bro?
And boss,
No, just follow me. Just follow me. I remember my sister follow you and she come back. But I have to do the following, you know. So if you follow, make sure you follow you back.
All right, continue what you have.
Yes, so yes, me I say no. When you help, they even did she still help because she build she build a GoFundMe for me with the target because I try the give August month in before do the surgery. So me I try reach out to any and everybody to see if we can pick up some donation. I have like 200,000 I mean me I keep a fundraiser cake sale mountain this mountain for same but me I still want a little more same way. So reach out to front line and I explain to him same way. See if we can borrow a platform for see if we can raise channel. A page here. I know about the GoFundMe. I have on a page here. You have to in order for get to the GoFundMe because we don't have 1,000 followers. I click point and it said they go straight to the GoFundMe. So me have the problem there with that GoFundMe on the page now. You have to copy and paste it.
Video. Why you don't do a live video and let it go viral on TikTok, on Facebook and Twitter, and you need to do a live video and explain like you're explaining to us. You need to do a live video.
I have like only a live video out there still, but I mean, it's sad because I'm telling you, maybe I get some help from Sunshine. So, I have a shine that page. I have a live video and I have a brother named Poor People Government. I have a live video on his page. There's video My World. A brother named My World. I have a couple live videos out there seeing me, but TikTok just never give me a chance to post them on this page.
Well, I tell you. Because man, them said on the Cuban, them man record that work on them and I. Well, I tell you, the thing goes.
Yeah, you never check, with the Cuban, they are the best,
They send them home.
Yeah, before me to go Florida, me the ask for the Cuban them. So
I think Cubans are still here.
Basically, I tell me say.
The Cuba don't buy National Chest Hospital. You ever go up there yet?
Chest Hospital?
The National Chest Hospital.
Yes, that's where they operate from, yes.
That's where they operate from. You go up there, make an appointment, and they will look and they will take it from there. Tell her that they will help you. The Cubans will help you.
They will help you, yeah.
They not send them home, then they are still?
Yeah, they are here
some are still here.
They are here still.
Me reach out to majority of them because they go like St. Joseph, which part located as well. And then they send me back to you. Then they send me back to you. And they give me a referral and send me back to you.
Well, all right, here we know. Go by the chest. Go by the chest hospital. That's where the Cubans operate from. 1, 2. I'm seeing where your follower is now over 1,800, so you can go live now. All right, and you need to set up the
1,800 now.
Yeah,
follow me.
You don't speak up all that follower right now on the boss.
Right, and follow me.
Yeah.
Because I can reach out. I can reach out to the Lions Club, Lions of Hospital high program going right now.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So follow me and give me some information in my DM and follow me and give me some information because I can reach out to the Lions Club, and also I'm a Kiwani and I can see what I can do for you also. True Kiwani is international. So follow me and let me get some contact back with you.
All right,
but check. The first thing, check out the chest hospital because it's first and foremost. That's you can help you.
So what I'm saying, so everybody who is on the live, when I follow him, I think he has some within here and in profile. If you don't want to help him, you reach out to him and try to help him. Nobody will can give some assistance, but I love that. Reach out to him, look at it. So thank you, I appreciate it. All right? The boss, big up yourself. We are continuing with the show. Big up yourself. You can
Front of the line. You know, everybody big up, happy. You see me?
Yes, you man. We do our best. We do our best to help you. Just follow
And
us.
see Mark,
Just
see Mark
follow
and
all our hosts, you know. We
see
do our
Mark
best to help.
and in the old page they say it's you have a sister with the doctor. She can't sit to so touch base with Mark also.
yes, when a sister come home, you know you can see. So when a sister come home, just make him try help you.
So Mark, you can leave a message on my inbox. For the gentleman that was speaking to me a while ago. What's your name?
Ingram.
Ingram. Tell me you lost all sight so far, you can see?
Okay, so I have like you know, it's completely damaged. So I only can see like light. If you know
Okay. All right.
Yes.
And see if we can get
But
this
for the right
because possible reach out because the longer you stay longer
Where's your sister now? Where's your sister now? You need to follow us. Just follow us. So follow all of us.
Follow me in particular, yeah.
Hold on. Sister, hold on.
Emmy, come here, please. No.
And so Chrissy is saying that they have some Cubans at the eye clinic on Mar Avenue in Kingston.
Oh boy, man, I tell you, I feel it for a young man, you know, man.
Una have to follow the man, you know, because I can't see for follow on inbox him, you know. So I have to just follow him. And then when I inbox him, sister will read them and get back to Uno. When I say him for follow Uno, him can't see for do that.
Okay.
But his sister will read the message them, we want to send.
I didn't hear
that. And we
that.
want to assist certain way, you know.
Davian, all right.
I can say all of the message to read them to me and
somebody asks him number. But I can't put all the number on your buyer to Virgin. Make people can see it. Because what do you do a flag on this and I say, some people when they need help I get help on the app. Yeah, man.
No, me also got Excel, sir.
Supposed to get the help long time, brother. I know what, Mike, you know how much time I see the man come follow him, you know, I see the man from virus, the man I ask, you know, brother. The man I reach out to people and it's like everybody just sit down and listen.
Well, tonight is good. Same following him gone 1,900 now. So that's very good.
I gift them send him. Somebody that sent some gift. Yeah, man, some gift. So reach up to that amount and I follow us. I'm look on him follower, I'm gonna see. Them a follow him. And over 200 people up on the live bridge in the mansion and get even 150 from them people, brother. So the man can even start go live, make people see him because probably people want to see. But a true thing, the man attack one night, the man open the man camera bridge. I mean, I tell you, so the man open the man camera. Man, the tears come to my eye bridge and I can see so the man eye them, it's true bridge. The man attack.
You know, Cash. Cash, I mean, they meet already, you know. Remember you the Cash, and you see me. But come up on, we can come down and come up on sister page where she them, you know.
Yeah.
If you want to come down,
follow you, David.
Yeah, man, and I get a G follow man, brother, man. Sorry front of the line, but the man really need assistant, brother. And
him need
like the people can look out for the G.
Hold on, I say in the for me talk go live in house where they are and him a join conversation and one mind tell me say like me I ask him say we ma talk and me I say you stammer or something. Like he just run to my mind and me ask him and him I say no, me no stammer, so me can't see. So me I say I succumb the argument come and me him I say, you know, say he talk to me the night and say me want to talk to you, but you know, so me up on the live and I don't back at me now, but
yes.
So when he said that now the other night, I said to Bap and Seabreeze over here, and I said, you know, me blind and one band in the day up here, and he asked me if we can reach out to some people to try.
All right, let me get some clip. Come in and answer. This 2.10 thousand. What is that caution?
I points him.
This.
Those are points. Okay.
8 followers or so him get a fight. I mean, I don't know if it gone up now. But last time I looked about that. And I follow the man, brethren, man. I found to go over some people live where they don't want nothing better than waste money and buy bleaching cream and tattoo and do all kind of something and they gift them. And a youth like this, I would really appreciate when I look at help, brother, and I can help the man, brother, and I give people gift where I waste it, brother. When I give people money where I waste it, people like them, I shouldn't get the real help off of TikTok. Real help them people, I shouldn't get brethren. You understand? I'm going to talk about it.
All right. Do the necessary contact, Virgin, and we take it from there, definitely.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I see the man from view enough night. Me there, I'm look on the G all about the place. I look the help, brother. The man, I look the help, madam. The man, I look the help, and the man, yo, me understand what it feels like.
Yes, man. That is.
Bro, I mean, I understand. But
Yes, man.
Another concept if you say, yo, what would I do if me not have my eyesight? But I'm perfect, God forbid. I can't walk, then I can't see. One crucial part of your body, brethren.
Yeah, man.
Crucial. You understand me? I say? I'm really want the man to get through that him can see and come back on all the platform and see and say, yo, bro, you know, say,
man.
yeah, man, you know, say, yeah, things work out, my G, and right there, brother. And if you can help the man, brother, if I couldn't even want $10 on the shop off, you know, the PayPal or wherever, go fund, it add up. Couldn't even want $10, brother, we have to just understand, say, oh, the G, you want to support. You understand all that labor right now on the PMP and then decide with them, brother, we have them big talk over here, man.
Well, I know, my boss. The sister can't turn on the camera and go see your face.
Man, where she there?
Yeah, that makes sense, bro. Me go come down and because fear page, fear camera can turn on, my camera can't turn on, because I don't have enough followers.
Yeah, because one night, I see it for true in the front of the line. I see it my own self out of my own eye, because I follow him on a live. I follow him and I look and them set him for come and wake her up. Wake up the morning. He wake up the morning and when she wake up about 3 o'clock in the morning, and when he wake her up and she come on pan fear page and open the camera, brother, and the man I show you, I said, John, no father God. I really thought the man I make brother.
Yeah, because I live.
Eh?
Yeah, I say it on live, man. Remember, man.
I tell you, I'm following you, brother.
No worries, my bad.
But I'll come down and come on fear page and open the camera.
Okay, yeah. Where our page name?
Our page name is I Love P. So I'll come down now and send a request.
Alright, come down.
Yeah. Yo, want to help the virgin, man. If I even want $10, brother, and $20, you can drop in the thing, virgin. Remember how much I'm saying more, but I think it would have go up to about 5 million Jamaican dollar. I think so, you know. I think about 5 million if I remember correctly. 10 and the man can go around, brother, and some of them people we have there. You know, some of the time, even if you send the gift, remember TikTok take off. You better try put the money in at the PayPal, virgin. Because if you send one $40 what I give a 20, I get, and TikTok I get the rest. You just put the money in and PayPal because he need it for doing thing, virgin. You see the man, me never know the story too tough for this man. I work the man I come from, working youth. And that what happened to the man, virgin. People, they see how people stay my I tell you to blow, I tell you say mankind just wicked in the general.
Me not hear this story, what really happened? Me not hear this story, you know. When you say I come and work, what happened?
Work and like him saying in the bus and like the youth them are coming there for rob and them throw some chemical in them face. And I eat them with him eye. He say a car center and used to work.
Wow.
Just go and listen to him since you're up. So you never hear me, Ingram?
Me not hear good now, me not hear.
Yeah, man, and that him just I say, me never know the story, me just know him have a eye problem. Cause me I say him have a eye problem, me dey able business how it want. Me can't help me help, brother. You understand? But if you can't help me
Definitely,
help,
man, definitely.
then, yo, you know something. Yeah, me can't, you don't need to tell me a story or tell me a life history and real when you see the G you're supposed to know, say, yo, bro, watch you know. I show off for $20 fee. The man I gotta appreciate it because guess
Yeah,
what?
man.
The man, you understand me? I said the little smiles make up.
Trust the man,
Well,
trust the
probably
man.
might want.
He need help, he need help, he
And
need
yo,
help.
me I say people like these, me as a MP or a minister or the prime minister and them youth on the app, brother, want a little help, brother. Me can, yo, me I tell you, yo, it's a black people, Virgin. It's a black people, man.
Kashan, when
The
me,
basic, I
Kashan,
give 50,000.
Kashan, when me see it, man, yeah, man, I'm 23-year-old, man. When me see Kashan, what around me, man.
You see it too?
What you mean? So I reach out to me, no, Kashan.
Me look on it little while, man, a terrible something, man. Me look on it little while.
Man,
Need help.
man reach out to me and say,
yo, all of who can send the money, when you go up on the man page and just donate it in the man. When him say him set up a GoFundMe, you know, get it and donate it. You don't have to tell me, brother, just do the thing, brother. Then if you know who are doing it from who not doing it, you know, just do the thing, brother.
Come back on, we'll get a number, we'll come back on.
I
Basically, come back on
send him
here.
request.
The number.
Him said somebody I love something and that. I don't know if him send him request. Yeah. Put him in a big box.
Which way?
And them say them want him number. This is somebody named Scoop there say them.
I'm up in the camera, my boss.
Yeah, and get the people them a number where them can contact you. Some people might want to talk to you still same way, you know.
Kila.
The sister is there.
Yeah, I'm sister a good girl too, you know, cause you know, listen, me no brother. One night at 3 o'clock, the man wake her up, you know.
Wow.
Man.
That's nice.
Yeah, 3 o'clock, the man, they must say, yo, you know, you got him say, nah, man, she gotta do it, man. Me I tell you, say, yo, if I have the whole money, if I have money like that, like all the chef, down a Conroy Regional Hospital and I buy up beer bench, me just shot him a 5 million and say, yo, but sort out yourself, brother. And you have people out there like, have it like that, you know, man, you tell them come like them, just don't want help nobody, you know.
That's the man. I want him got the thing they do. Got the Is it I love pin?
He must set up the process. No can't do a Jamaica where him want to do. So
Well on the caution. Can open up the camera, my boss. You have a big box.
The camera. Hold on, my sister, we don't do it. I wake her up.
Yeah, boy, I'm gonna tell you. Everything I grieve, man. Most on labor right with that, bro.
No matter with that, yeah, no, Mr. Phil.
Most. But I want me feel that me heart, you know, man.
I'm not find that.
It's not easy, though.
Hold on. Take off your glass, my boss.
No, man, make him glass here, man. Is that right, man?
No.
Put your glass, man. Put your glass.
No, the man not cat, brother. Yeah, man, I can put in a glass. You don't need to
feel it, you know, man.
Put that back in glass, man.
Young man,
brother. When you help the man, brother, the man link in and bio. When you see the man,
Hold on the caution. My boss.
Yeah.
You got that Zen right now, Pio?
Because they give me a Zen, but she overseas.
You have to get that phone as quick as possible. You need that phone.
No, shut your number over the line. Me see some people.
Yeah, man, don't shut your number.
Shut your number. Tell them your number. Make them get your number.
Hey, give me your number.
The number 482-7121.
Yeah, repeat it.
So 482-7121.
What's your name?
Davian.
Davian?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, not afraid to put your number, brother, because we see it, you know. When we see that now, we know say I'm not capping. Nobody afraid for your number, man.
You ever go past Squitty Live yet, Davian?
Who for live?
Squitty Live.
No, I don't know who that, bro.
Our brother named Squitty, him carry a quotient, him carry a whole heap of followers like frontline boss. So him
Over something live him fit them to put him up in the box. Over Nicky and them Nicky for your help on them thing the brethren and all of them.
I'm gonna
a neighbor.
Which name? Brother, them people you say be a politics, brother. The man want to go some place.
Hold on. No, boss, what is cell number? You're selling some money right now.
Hold on, let me come sister again.
Yeah, you have to have them things.
Somebody say more link you. Somebody say more link you on the man in there.
4827121, right?
Yeah,
man.
4827121.
Right.
Yeah, man. Man, I go link you. Man, I'll link you, man. Man, I'll call you and link you, man.
Front of the line.
Yeah.
The number I'm calling, you know, so me have to come off.
Yeah, go on. Text me. Text me. I'm missing some money. Yeah.
All right, Father. Respect.
Yeah, man.
All right, youth, we do the
And
best.
so you can get the GoFund account.
Yeah, man.
Because
I tell you, I them things.
I put your number in your bio and something that people can.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
And you go for
No, seriously, me talk something, you know. I don't want to feel like I know politics thing, you know. A straight thing, no say. But if me feel just want to get to the Prime Minister like what we talk and put that in that shot him and help still, you know. So you labor right the moon no can get to him because I know politics not necessary, no, from the heart necessary from the
no man, any help can get the man.
It's the same like when man give a
can save him
to somebody.
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
Did I think the same thing to Mr. Sydney?
Man, he can shot him that thing, you know, brother.
Wow.
And then we help him still, you know.
To get to the Prime
Because
Minister.
all the people they are here now. So we help him. So who know if we deal with him? We don't know him page or not. Say page him the youth, yeah. Can we help him, you know? Because it's like a whole Jamaica here that, you know.
share
Can we help
the
him, man?
live that to him. Share the live that to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, share it
I
to
don't want
him.
nobody
Share
to
it to
come
the Prime
on
Minister.
like say.
Straight to the Prime Minister.
And talk about it, una go send this and send that like a hyping. Brother, una do una do. Nobody have to know una do, brethren. Just do una do.
Yeah, man, just put it straight to him, brother.
Link the dog, him send him number, him have him go fund.
Yeah,
That's two options.
man, do it.
And two
Yeah, man. I
options
don't do
more
it
to
that
do
time,
right
well,
away.
somebody do it, you know, man. Somebody come blind, man, Rasta.
So may I get a something?
A call.
I get a call, but I'm on the live, so I can't answer. I mean, if somebody on the live, I call me.
Oh, I'm just my
That one of them two, you know.
So two action what you do right away. One,
But I have to keep it
look
update.
put together the GoFund
Keep
account.
updating on
And
your
two, get in touch with Chest Hospital. Get in touch with Chest
We
Hospital.
get your number, answer your call. We get your number, you know.
Yeah, Davian.
So, go and answer
Yeah,
your
yeah,
call.
Get in touch with the Chest Hospital. That's where the Cuban doctors are.
I'm going to try to reach out to them like in a week.
As
man.
quick as possible.
You have to go
And
up there,
get
David.
GoFund going. I'm gonna start put something in there right away and touch base with you. All right.
Yeah, man. And take care of telling us still the Prime Minister, because he will help like what world power, you know. At time no he will help fast. So anybody know if you do that now and know him page and thing, just shut him straight in now. And say
Like Munchie and them people, Munchie and all of them people, them miss
yeah,
them.
man, anybody else listen now?
Brethren.
Young man, a young
Yeah,
man.
they can hook him to the
Yeah,
Prime
man.
Minister.
Yeah,
And
man.
give the Prime Minister, the Minister help, brother, so them not a program in a